Guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024a22d in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows Settings, under System Settings. From the right side, go to Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. This is the first and easiest way to any Windows Update error code. It will solve. Not only detect the problems, resolve them accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type services.msc to open services windows, and in services windows look for Windows Update Services. Right click on it and choose a start first. If you found already a start, then restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Press Win plus C shortcut key to launch File Explorer. Go to this PC, C drive, Windows, Software Distribution folder. Click on download and select all files here and delete it. Sometimes a space issue is maybe a cause of Windows Update error, so clear your space and delete all your files and folders from Software Distribution folder. The next workaround is go to Run command box and here type msconfig to open system configuration window. Here go to Services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab, open task manager and all the startup apps which you found enabled, manually disable it. Right click on it and choose disable one by one from the startup apps folder in task manager. Close your Windows. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute some Windows Update components as you seen on screen. All these command path will also available in my video description. You may copy from my video description. Simply one by one execute all these commands in command prompt Windows, or after that restart your system.